Hello everyone and welcome. Today we're going to explore a powerful and fast-growing field in artificial intelligence, edge-based AI. Artificial intelligence has traditionally been deployed on centralized servers or cloud platforms. This means that when you use an AI-powered application, your device often sends data to the cloud, where it's processed, and then the results are sent back. But this approach has challenges. Latency. Waiting for the cloud response takes time. Bandwidth usage, continuous data transfer can overload networks. Privacy concerns. Sensitive information may be exposed when sent to the cloud. This is where edge-based AI comes in. It brings the intelligence closer to the source of data, meaning, instead of relying solely on the cloud, the AI runs directly on edge devices such as smartphones, IoT devices, autonomous vehicles, cameras, drones, or even industrial machines. Here's how it works. AI models are trained on powerful servers or cloud platforms. Once trained, the models are compressed, optimized, and deployed to edge devices. These devices can then process data locally, make real-time decisions, and only send minimal or aggregated data back to the cloud if needed. Think of it like this. Instead of sending every detail of a video feed to the cloud for analysis, an edge camera can detect motion or faces on its own and only send alerts when necessary. Edge-based AI offers several key benefits. Real-time processing. Decisions are made instantly, which is critical for applications like self-driving cars or medical monitoring. Reduced latency. No round trips to the cloud, so response times are much faster. Improved privacy and security. Sensitive data can stay on the device, minimizing exposure. Lower bandwidth costs. Only essential information is transmitted, reducing network load. Reliability. Even if the internet connection is unstable, the device can continue functioning independently. Edge AI is already being applied across industries, healthcare, wearables, analyzing heart rate or glucose levels in real time. Automotive autonomous vehicles detecting objects and pedestrians instantly. Retail smart cameras monitoring inventory without constant cloud dependency. Manufacturing predictive maintenance on factory machines. Smart cities, traffic management, energy optimization, and public safety monitoring. Of course, there are challenges. Hardware limitations. Edge devices have less computing power compared to cloud servers. Model optimization. AI models must be compressed without losing accuracy. Energy efficiency. Running AI locally consumes battery and power. Scalability and updates. Keeping thousands of devices updated with the latest models can be complex. The future is very promising. With the rise of 5G, specialized AI chips, and federated learning, edge devices are becoming smarter, faster, and more capable. We are moving toward a world where AI is everywhere, not just in the cloud, but embedded in everyday devices, enabling smarter cities, safer transportation, personalized healthcare, and more. To summarize, edge-based AI is about moving intelligence closer to where data is generated. It enables faster, safer, and more efficient decision-making across industries. Thank you for joining today's session. I hope this gave you clear insights into what edge-based AI is, how it works, and why it matters for our future.